Good evening, everyone. My name is Tony Stark. Sometimes people call me Anish Mugay. To all my teachers, I want to thank on a serious note. Because of them, I'm here. And I want to thank to Stack Overflow, W3 Schools, Tutorials Points, Wikipedia, because of whom it wouldn't have been. And I want to thank to the person who wrote my name into this speakers list. I don't know his name, Sarvesh. So there are two types of people. First is engineers and others is non-engineers. I was a non-engineer type of person when I actually took admission to this college. I mean, you wouldn't believe I used to attend all the lectures. I used to study for unit test. Who does that? I used to not do proxies on all these things. So first semester happened. So yeah, first semester happened, and bang, 3 subjects back. I had 3 subjects back in first semester. I was like, I studied for 90 marks and I cannot get 40 marks. How is this possible? I was in still HSC mindset at the time, but then it really realization that what is life? This is life. With great power comes great responsibility. You're Batman, something like this. So it came to me that to be an engineer, you just don't have to follow the syllabus or curriculum. You have to think outside of the box. You have to discuss with your friends. You have to do the group discussion. You have to solve the problems yourself, and that is the only way you can pass. So I've seen one thing about engineers is that they are not greedy. If you go to the BSc student, they will like, "Arey मेरे को 90 marks चाहिए बस." And if you go to the engineers, "Arey 40 में मेरा point बढ़ रहा है, मेरे को ज़्यादा उतावला नहीं." कि
अरे माइक ला हाथ लाओ नको.
कुछ लोगों ने 8वीं में ही डिसाइड कर लिया था कि यार मैं इंजीनियर करने वाला हूँ. 8वीं में कि मैं ये करने वाला हूँ, वो करने वाला हूँ. मैं तो बस 8वीं में शिनचैन दिखता था. मेरे को पता भी नहीं था कि क्या सिलेबस है, क्या सीईटी है, क्या है. तो मैंने ऑनेस्टली 3 डेट्स देखी और मुझे बोला कि यही करना है मेरे को जिंदगी में. तो सीईटी के CET people were very kind at the time. They used to send your result in your mobile phone, and the result I was it was June 2013. I got result in my phone. I checked it. My uncle was sitting right beside me. I checked it. I saw okay, maths 10. Okay, total doesn't go above 60. I put the phone back in my pocket. He said, "Did you get a message?" I said, "No. These are Vodafone people. They all send these kinds of message. But you have Airtel, right?" These marketing scams. So I had very big hopes. I was going to Pune or something. But after the CET results came out, I was really disappointed. I didn't know if I can actually get admission anywhere. But honestly, the day I came in here, our Patrale sir was there, and we are actually apartment mates. He used to live in an apartment, and he said, "Don't worry, you're getting admission here." He asked me, "How many marks you get JEE?" And I saw my JEE mark sheet. It was -10. I ripped that off, and he said, "No, what is JEE? I don't know. JEE, what is it?" So he said, "Don't worry, you're gonna get admission here." So I'm still, I think, non-engineer type of person, because you haven't lived engineer life if you haven't lived it in a room. A hostel life is similar to engineering life. But later, the fun element starts to stop, actually. As you grow up, as you go from first year to second year, it kind of like seriousness of life comes in between, and it's very hardly it happens that the friend you have on first year, you have still your friend with that in BE. Actually, I want to say that that on the first day, on 10 July, I think 2013, I sat beside my friend Shubham Mane,
PD.
and I'm still, and on the last day, I'm still sitting with him. So that's kind of an achievement.
JD,
But
JD.
not, so finally, you all see the Facebook pages.
शेवटी
Facebook
सबस्क्राईब
pages, it's like raise your hand if you support this, or admit it you have this. So I want to do that. So if you feel like raising your hand, you can raise your hand. So raise your hand if you like with the box. Anyone? Okay, raise your hand if you're waiting for refreshment. Raise your hand if you want more term work. You guys don't want more term work? Okay. Raise your hand if you like a little bit respect from staff as well. And lastly, raise your hand if you're feeling sad today. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.